Hello guys, happy new year, happy new month, happy first Saturday of the year and first Saturday of the month. So today I welcome you to my channel. My channel is all about food, teachings of how you can do things by yourself at home and how you can do some home treatment remedies, just like hair, like other delicacies that you can try out at home by yourself. And yeah, here I am this year again doing my first video, and I want to introduce you to how to make a natural hair growth that you can use for your children and for yourself. So let's get started. What am I going to be using here? So first off, this is what I have. So what do you need to make this natural hair growth product for yourself? This is just a hair cream that you can be using at some sort of buying hair creams outside, and at the end of the day you might not get what you really want. So this is a natural hair growth remedy that you can use for yourself and for your kids. We need shea butter, you need coconut oil, and I have here my extra virgin olive oil. So this is the extra virgin olive oil. You need castor oil. Jojoba oil is also needed, but that is very optional. So I'll just go straight and prepare these herbs, and then I'll introduce other ingredients while mixing it up. So first of all is the rosemary. So just 1 spoon of rosemary is very okay, depending on the quantity of hair cream or hair food you want to use. So these herbs are very important when you want to make your hair food. So the second one, anise seed, not star anise. So a spoon of anise seed into the blender. You just have to mix everything up. And the third one is the black seed or Nigella sativa. So the fourth herb I have here is the fenugreek. Fenugreek is very important when it comes to hair. Anything about hair and skin is very important. So I'll use 1 spoon of fenugreek into the same mixture. The next herb I'll be adding is cloves. Just a little cloves will do a very good job, and because of how strong the smell is, I'll be adding just a little of it, and it's okay for me. So just a little clove and cinnamon. So I'll be using 2 sticks of cinnamon, break it up and add it into the mixture. So as you can see, I added it into the mixture and mixed everything up. Just shake it to go around. Then I'll put it into blender to blend. So you need a very strong blender for this. A very strong blender. So this is the outcome. This is what I have. Because you're making use of all dry ingredients, you can store it anywhere. You don't need a fridge to store it. So as I am done with the herbs, I want to prepare the coconut oil and the shea butter, because they are blocked, they are in solid form. I have to melt them with my microwave. So I just have to put them into 2 separate containers and put them in the microwave to melt. And while it is melting, while they are melting in the microwave, we'll quickly scoop out the quantity of the herbs that we need. So I just prepared this much so that I can just go ahead to use it whenever I want to. I just go ahead to add oil. So I'll just get the quantity. So I'm using just 2 spoons of the whole mixture. I scooped out 2 spoons into this white container. So what do I need to do after here? The next thing I have to do is just to introduce the oil into the powdered herbs. So first of all, you introduce whatever oil you want. It doesn't matter the steps doesn't count. Just add the oil you want to add. So I added extra virgin olive oil, my castor oil, coconut oil, and shea butter. So now what you have to know is the amount of oil you add on this mixture determines the quantity of what the cream you are going to get at the end. So you see, so if you add much, you get much. You can add jojoba oil if you have it available. So for me, I don't have it. I might add it in my next production, but for now I don't have it. So I'll be adding what I have. So I added 4 different types of oil. So the next question is, how long do you leave it to extract? So after here, I'll just stir it and leave it to extract. Question, how long do you leave it to extract? You can leave it for 24 hours, 48 hours, or 72 hours, depending on how much you want to extract from the herbs. So as you can see, after stirring it here, I'm going to leave it to stay for 78 hours, and the longer it stays, the more darker the oil looks. So after 72 hours, I brought it as already solidified. So I have to melt it with warm water. I melted it with warm water. Then I began to extract the oil from the whole mixture. So after a while it's already melted, I used my chiffon cloth to extract it. So I folded my chiffon cloth like into 4 or 5 layers so that it can sieve properly. It can sieve very well. As you can see, this is the sieving process, and after the end of everything, I squeezed it out and threw away the chaff. So this what you have already gotten what you want from the herbs. You have already gotten what you want from the herbs. So the next thing is just to store it, and yeah, you store it and let it cool down. Then you have your original, like this is original, like no adulteration, whatever. This is original hair food that can grow your hair. I use it on my daughter's, and honestly the result is massive. So this is how it looks after like 2 hours of staying. It's got cold, and this is how it is. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, drop a comment, and subscribe to my channel for more interesting and educative videos like this. Thank you and remain blessed. Bye.